Anastasia, you don't understand. I don't have time at all to learn Russian. It's not my priority now. I really wanna do this. I will do it a bit later. You think this every year, and then 1, 2, 3, 5 years left, and you still don't speak Russian. Hey guys, I'm Anastasia, Russian language teacher. Let's speak today about what to do if you're too busy to learn Russian. Well, actually, general is idea that Russian language or any other languages, it depends on what language you learn, should be the part of your life. This language should be like always with you. Sure, the best thing is just try to find these 2 hours in a week for classes with a group, or follow the course, or find the teacher, and it will really save your time. Why it will save your time? Because you will already have structure, person who you will need to show your homework 1 or 2 times in a week. When you have classes, no matter what classes is it, individual classes, group classes, you can be sure that you will do progress anyway. You will come for classes and you will not say yourself, I will do it tomorrow, and then already 2 weeks left, 1 month left, and you forgot about practice Russian. No, you will have system, you will understand that you need to come to classes, offline, online classes, no matter. But also, if you want to save your time, of course, online classes are better because you don't need to waste time for the road. But anyone choose how it's better. So find time in the morning to work. If you will do it like first thing when you wake up, you will do it anyway, and in the evening you will not think, oh my gosh, I'm so tired to study, maybe I will do it later, maybe tomorrow. No, if you just wake up, your brain is still clear, and it's the best time to learn the language, and also you will feel more energy because you win this day, you did something important for yourself, and you will feel really good because you already done something useful. Set a goal and don't give up. Just understand why you do this, for what, when you want to achieve this goal, and have a deadline when you need to do this, when you need to achieve this goal. Find the body for yourself who you will study with, especially if you don't have a teacher, if you need to control your study process, anyone who also study language, so you can study language together. Try to think how Russian language can help you with work. Maybe you can find something small, especially if you already speak some Russian. You can think what kind of job you can find, not in Russia, just using Russian language. Just not to give up, always give yourself small presents, buy something for yourself, do something what will make you happier. We always find time for everything what is really important for us. So just think, maybe you don't need to learn the language. If you always say I'm too busy, there are 2 ways. One way, you are scared of this, you think that this goal is too big, yeah, like you're afraid, you have like blocks in your mind. And second, it's close to the first one, you don't understand why you need this, how you will use it, so you need to explain it to yourself. You just used to do everything perfect, and you try to do everything perfect in the language too. So you think, okay, when I will have a lot of time, when I will have a lot of money for classes, I will start learning. No, better start right now. You can try to watch some videos about the alphabet, just start and see really do you love it or no, how is this language for you, how it sounds, do you really love it or no, and then you already will decide. Because when you learn language, to be succeed, you need a lot of energy, motivation, and you need to make it for yourself. I mean, even if you will always watch motivational videos, it will help you just for a short time, but for a long distance, like learning language, you need to support yourself, to be able to support yourself. I hope this video was useful. If it was useful writing comments. And if you are interested in learning Russian language with teacher, you can book a Russian language class with me. All the links in description. You can write me, I will answer all your questions. So have a good day, I wish you good luck, and I believe in you. See you soon.